Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can add image in Geometry Dash. Unfortunately, we cannot add images directly on the vanilla version, so we have to install a mod called Geode. Now there's going to be a lot of tutorials out there, so you can just first install Geode into your Geometry Dash, and then we want to head over to the game itself after installing. Click on the Geode icon, and then you simply want to search for the Geometrize. So before you search, you also want to make sure that you are inside the downloads category, and then you want to download the Geometrize 2GD. Click on get and then click on the install button. From there, you then want to restart your Geometry Dash application. So let me just do that real quick. And before we head back to Geometry Dash, we also have to head over to this website. Now I'm going to leave this on the description box below. And from here, you want to click on Open Image. You want to open the image that you want to turn into your Geometry Dash image. So in my case, let's say that I want to select Batman right here, which is going to be relatively simple. After selecting your image, click on Setting, and you want to make sure to enable the ellipses, circles, and the rotated ellipse. From here, you want to put 2000, and then once again, you want to click on the Run button. You then have to wait for the shapes to be at the max shades cap. In our case, it's going to be 2000. And of course, from there, you then want to click on the Save JSON button, which will then save our file right here. Now let's then head back to our Geometry Dash, and then I'll navigate through my level creation, which is going to be this one. Click on Edit, and basically if we add a block like this one, so click Edit, and at the last section of the options right here, we have the JSON file or the JSON option. Simply click on it, click on Select File, and from there you then want to navigate through the file that we just downloaded. So I'll just navigate through my JSON file, which is going to be this one. Click on Open, and of course you can adjust this to any scale you want to. As of right now, I'll experiment with 0.5. Click on Create, and basically this is where the magic happens. Just click on the deselect button, and there we have it. Unfortunately, as of the moment, this is what we have, but you get the point. You can customize this the way you want to. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.